You know, so many people said to me, Kev, why do you make work lights that are so long? Like, why would you make a work light that's 39 inches long? What are you going to do with that? So, like today I'm doing a engine mount on a Honda Ridgeline. And, I got to work down there, back there. So here we'll hook up the positive and negative power cable, and now we have a 39-inch long stick light that goes all the way down there and illuminates everything in its path. And of course I have to get to that motor mount down there, and specifically I have to get to that bolt down there, the head of that bolt down there. I got to get it from the top. So instead of trying to stick a light all the way down there low and get it to stay somewhere, you get to insert a 39-inch light all the way from the top, just holding on the end of it, stick it all the way down past what you got to see, and you can even put it in so far that you can literally almost touch the ground with it. Anyway, this is the 39-inch Goose-Grip stick light. It's 3,600 lumens, and it's about $110 on goosegrip.com. And there'll be many a time where this light will literally save your ass on being able to see something that no other light will let you see. And if you're not using it to probe things, you could always hang it from the hood, providing that you have a metal hood. A lot of hoods are aluminum. And a lot of times when you're trying to listen for a noise, like sometimes you've got belt noise, and you get a chance to take this light and put it down in the front of the engine next to the belts until it touches the ground. And of course you can see everything clearly, and you don't have to stick your arm down in there to see it. So this is one of 4 lights that Goose-Grip Products makes. We've sold a lot of these, but of course I want to sell more. I'm just a grain of sand on the beach. I'm not a billion-dollar, multi-billion-dollar company like Milwaukee, but I promise you, I build lights that rival what their lights can do. And I'll bet you the people that design their lights were not mechanics fixing cars 42 years to know exactly what needed to exist as far as lighting goes. That would be me. I've been fixing cars since 1975, and I've been fighting with work lights every day of my life for one reason or another, and all situations are different. But I made lights. Each one is a little bit different than the next. I made them to solve lighting situations because gravity always wins. The lights fall. And the 4 different lights that Goose-Grip makes, they don't fall. They don't fall. Take a look at the other 3. The suction cup light, the vice grip light, and the other light, which is called the Goose-Grip swivel stick. I also sell this portable battery housing, and this portable battery housing handles a Milwaukee battery of any size, whatever size you have, as long as it's an M12. And right now I'm actually using the power cable to power this 39-inch light, but if you wanted to go under the car away from the battery and you didn't want to have a 20-foot cable, because we don't give you a 20, it's give you a 6-foot cable, well, that's great for under the hood. But if you wanted to go back under the car, you could use this And you could just attach this to the hood, or any metal, of course, for that matter. Attach it to the hood, and instead of plugging this into a 6-foot power cable, I could plug it into this right there, and then I could turn the light on, and you still have that same 39-inch light, only now it becomes portable. It can go anywhere. All the lights have a lifetime warranty, and I built them brutal. There's no plastic on the light except for the lens, which is polyurethane resin. It's 100% waterproof. The color rendering index is greater than 90. For reference, sunlight is 100, and the color temperature is 4000, which gives off nice bright white light that doesn't throw shadows. Anyway, if you're a professional mechanic, like spending a few $100s for any of these lights, it's like a drop in the bucket. I mean, these lights give back to you every day. There is no one, just like there's not one scanner that you buy, there's not one light that covers all situations. So I made it my business to make 4 different lights. And if you was to buy all 4 lights, I promise you that you'd eliminate 99% of work light stress, because the lights don't fall anymore. Anyway, Goose-Grip.com. Look at what we sell. Lifetime warranty on everything. And look for us on Motorhead Garage on an upcoming episode this Sunday, November 5th, I believe, on Motorhead Garage with John Gardner and Dave Dobson. We'll be showing off the lights again. All right, I'm out.